Hello everybody and welcome to another wonderful adventure of volume. Today we're going to look at volume of a cylinder and volume of a cone. And then we're going to be using some water and some volume shapes to kind of show the relationship between the two. But before we do that, let's talk about the volume of a cylinder. To find the volume of anything, you need to know what the area of its base is and then multiply it by its height. Okay, now think about this. This is a cylinder. A cylinder has a circular base. So it's a circle on the bottom, so it requires a radius. And then it also has a height. Now, knowing those two things, you can find the volume of any cylinder. Now, to find the area of the base, remember the area of a circle is radius times pi. That is how you find the area of the base, or the area of the circle, and then you times it by the height. So, therefore, your formula, your official formula is volume equals pi times radius squared times the height to find the volume of a cylinder. Now, before I teach you the volume of a cone and how to find it, I'm going to show you the relationship between a cylinder and a cone using these shapes over here. Now, I have a cone and a cylinder, same height, same radius, but they do not obviously have the same volume. This is less, but I'm going to show you just how much less it is using some water. All right, I'm going to start filling up this cone with some water here. I'm going to fill it all the way to the top. I want it overflowing, it's so tall. Almost there. Pause for, I don't know what the word is I'm trying to think of. Okay, all the way to the top. There we go, now it's overflowing. I got too much water. Now, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to take that cone, I'm going to pour it into that cylinder, and let's just see how much it fills that cylinder up. All right, there's one. There's one. What do you guys think? Okay, I paused the video, filled up another one. So let's watch two cones now, see how much that fills it up. Oh, I'm going to drop it. I'm going to drop it. I'm getting water all over the place, guys. Okay, there's two. There's two. Didn't quite fill it up all the way. You think it'll take 4, 3? Okay, I pause the video again. I have another cone full of water. Let's pour it into the cylinder. And what do you guys notice? What do you guys notice? Boom. Now, it should fill it all the way to the tippy top, but of course, I spilt water like crazy. However, we get to see the relationship. 3 pyramids, 1, 2, 3 pyramids fit inside of one cylinder of the same height and radius. So therefore, if the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times height, radius times pi times height, then the cone is exactly the same. The area of the base, you find it as radius times pi to find the area of the base. We times it by its height. However, how many cones fit in the cylinder? How many cones fit in there? There was 1, 2, 3 of them. So that means it is 1/3 the volume of the cylinder. So therefore, it is radius times pi times height divided by 3. The official way, if you look it up, is volume equals pi r squared times height divided by 3. So there you have it. There is the formula for the cylinder, and there is the formula for the cone.